Okay, so it's late at night and I've just finished my turntable. It's a little bit higher than I thought, the gap between. So I've not got much room to actually launch the pizza, which is not good. But it's only a trial, so as you can see, once the pizza is launched, I can then just turn the pizza nice and gently and get a nice even cook all the way around. Nice and easy, no stress. I know a lot of you out there said, oh, I love turning pizzas with my peel, it takes the fun out of it. Yeah, it does. It really does. It's a bit like an automatic car. It takes the fun out of driving, but it makes it so much easier. Will the bearings hold up? I doubt it. I might have to find better bearings and lower ones. But for now, this is me, Derek, from Cook It Yourself, experiment number 1. We'll let you know how I get on tomorrow when I cook some pizzas. Over and out. Oh, and P.S. if you want to follow the Roccbox turntable journey, you really need to subscribe to this channel and hit the little notification bell so you'll get notifications as I upload tomorrow night's pizza cooking. And then obviously if I need to get different bearings and different fixings, then I'm trying to lower the turntable, and you'll also be able to follow that. And I will put a full instructions of how I did it on the channel when I get a chance, from where I ordered the bits from to everything. So subscribe and enjoy. Cheers.